Welcome back, bentornati su My Football Jersey. This is the home jersey of LA Galaxy for the season 2012, so a retro jersey of one great player, Beckham. I really like this jersey. In my ranking, this is a 5 stars. I really like this stripe that you can find and the two colors, white, blue, and also the detail in yellow. In my opinion, really a good jersey. Let me know if you agree. If you like the jersey, smash the like button. Tell me in the comment here below what do you think about this jersey and what other jersey would like to see in the future. For today that's all, but please remember, subscribe the channel is just a click, a little click, but it's really important for me and for the channel. See you next time. Ciao!